What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Animal Crossing New Horizons. So I've been playing this game for a few days now, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So I figured, rather than doing a regular Let's Play, I'm just going to give you guys weekly updates on the development of the island. So I'll go ahead and give you a tour of the island. Like I said, I haven't done a whole lot. I've only been playing a few days now. I do have a house, and my little snowman. And I've also planted all of the fruits. So let me just go and show you real quick. Yep, right here. So I have had a chance to plant all the fruits so far. They're just kind of scattered around the island. It might be kind of hard to see the map of the island on the corner there because of the logo, so I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen for you guys. But let me just go ahead and give you a tour of the place. Let's see. Just get this real quick. So yeah, the animals have little houses too now, and I'll show you the animals as we come across them. Planted some coconut trees. Oh, one more. So the island started with the pear trees, but I do have all the other fruit. Here's the peaches. Man, there's a bunch of these today. So I do have the museum, so I'll go ahead and donate all these fossils if I haven't already done it. Got a cool waterfall over there. Planted a few of these flowers. Got some money growing. Like I said, I got the museum going too. There's not a whole lot going in there, so as I get a few more fish and stuff in there, I'll show that off later. Some more peaches, little trees. Let's see. Yeah, not much going on up here. Got some cherries. Oranges, apples. I did have a few snow people, but I guess they melted already. Let's get this real quick. I like this spot. A lot of space. Really like it. I don't know, I just really like the whole island theme. Kind of reminds me of when I was living in Hawaii for a while. Oh, did I not cover this up? Oh, here's one of the animals. Islanders? Is the other one in her house? Let's see. Yep, looks like it. Oh, she has the gold rose I gave her. What's going on? Yeah. What you got? Yeah, no problem. I'll let people know you like flowers. I'll bring you some more flowers. So I guess now what I need to do next, they gave me this construction kit for the new shop. And I guess I need to find a location for it. I haven't picked a spot yet. I'm still just kind of, you know, scoping out the island. Trying to make some plans where I want to put stuff. Like I said, I barely started a few days ago. This is very much still a blank canvas. Let me show you the inside of the house real quick. Yeah. See, not a whole lot going on. My humble little living space here. But yeah, so I figured I'll give you guys weekly updates, see how the island develops, and I look forward to showing you how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. See ya!